Hello everyone, I started getting more and more questions regarding how to choose one complex that is gonna fit for you from so many different options that I have on my channel. And moreover, how can you introduce this complex into your busy daily routine? So I decided to make this video to show you how easy is that to make self-care part of your daily routine. First thing you're gonna do as soon as you wake up, stretch your body as good as possible. Massage your ears in order to wake up even more. To start off lymphatic and blood flow, you're gonna shake yourself up. For that, lift your arms and legs up and shake them actively. Now when you're finally awake, you can get up and go wash your face and make some breakfast. Before washing your face, you're going to gently boost your lymphatic nodes. For that, tap your fingers above your collarbones. While breathing in, lift your shoulders up, and when breathe out, tap your fingers above your collarbones. Following that with a soft drenaging face cleansing. While washing your face, make sure that you tap your hands towards your face a little bit more, and then bring them down along your neck. After that, while your face is still wet, apply your favorite face cream. And with clapping motions, you can help it to get absorbed faster. Smooth out your lower jawline. Now, don't forget that your neckline is like your second face, and pay special attention to it. After that, you can pinch through your face a little bit in order to improve capillary nutrition. Doing the same thing to your neck and neckline. Now move on to the scalp massage in order to improve nutrition of all structures of your head. And now, with your clean face and good mood, move on to cooking your breakfast. And while your breakfast is getting ready, you can do some stretching, starting off by warming up your shoulders, opening up your chest, After that, connect your hands behind your back and bring your shoulder blades together. Lift your arms up and do some shaking motions. After that, do some leaning motions with your body side to side in order to improve your flexibility. And now when you're done with cooking, you can have your breakfast and move on to makeup. Hey, are you coming or not? Come on! I promise it's not gonna take you a long time. Before doing your makeup, we are going to work a little bit more on the muscles of your face, starting off with softening of your forehead. Sticking your fingers to the skin and moving it apart from the bone in all different directions. Now, let's relax the area between the eyebrows. Place your fingers between your eyebrows and rub the area using fingers of both hands. With point massage technique, work under your eyebrows. For that, lift your eyebrow up and massage through every point. And loosen the circular eye muscle. Lift the end of your eyebrow up and gently tap through the circular muscle. Now let's strengthen the upper eyelid. For that, place your fingers on your eyes, along the lash line, and try to open your eyes. Now let's work with the lower eyelid. For that, place two of your fingers in the corners of your eyes, look up and try to close your eyes with your lower eyelid. And now let's loosen the lateral nose muscle, because when it's overcontracted and its labial fold is being formed. For that, place your fingers towards the corners of your nose and massage upwards. Moving upwards very slowly. Now getting rid of some excessive liquid in your nose. Moving on to strengthening of the horizontal nose muscle. Moving on to your cheekbones. We are going to lift and loosen the middle part of your face. For that, roll your lips around your teeth and try to smile, bringing the corners of your lips up. While doing that, protect your cheeks with your hands. Now let's loosen the middle part of your face. Place the base of both hands on your temples, lifting the skin up. With your mouth, form an oval shape, feeling how the middle part of your face is stretching. Continue loosening the middle part of your face. Again, place the base of your palms on your temples, lifting the skin up. Form an oval shape with your mouth and make sounds ah, o. You don't actually have to make them out loud. Before putting any makeup on your lips, we are going to make a massage that is going to make them more plump. For that, grab a fold of tissue on your lips and rub it between your fingers, moving on along the whole line of your lips. After that, pinch through a lip line. After that, place your fingers around your lips as a frame, pressing the skin around your lips to your teeth, and try to push out your relaxed lips like you're blowing a kiss. Following up with a lips loosening exercise. And apply your favorite lipstick. So our time is up. It was not 5 but 6 minutes, but now we're in a good mood and we can move on through our day. Throughout the day, make sure that you keep your back straight, like there is an invisible string that pulls your back up. While being at work, you can spend 2 minutes on your back. Do a massage of your trapezius muscle in order to loosen the muscles. In softening motions, massage through your trapezius muscle. Now let's warm up your neck. Bend your neck side to side, doing it very slowly. After that, stay in this position for a little bit longer and put some gentle pressure on your head. Stay in this position, feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching. After that, slowly turn your head side to side, trying to look behind your shoulder. While being at work, you can also do some contactless exercises that strengthen up the area under your chin, that help fighting double chin and make a beautiful jawline. For that, place the tip of your tongue in front of your front upper teeth and stay in this position for several minutes. Another exercise that is going to strengthen the area under your tongue. With the whole surface of your tongue, press upwards, feeling how the whole area under your tongue is being contracted. Many of you have already seen some of my videos, and therefore I would recommend you choosing the complex that you like most and introducing it to your daily routine. As you see, it's not that hard and doesn't take so much time. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And click the bell to make sure you see our newest video.